Hi kids, welcome back to Moony. Today we're gonna play with Bluey's pool time play set. I'm so excited. I love the pool, don't you? Let's get into it. Wow, look at our pool. Let's build the gazebo. Let's put our floaties in the pool. Wow, cool. Time to put on Bluey's goggles. Look, he's all ready for a swim. Now he's relaxing and getting a tan in the floaty. Did you know that water attracts sunlight? Now he's gonna go relax on the deck. All right, Bluey, are you ready to swim some laps? Bluey's gonna teach us some tricks. All right, Bluey, show me a front flip. Splash. All right, Bluey, show me a back flip. All right, Bluey, show me your best dive. Wow, you're really good at that. Wow, playing with Bluey in his pool really made me want to go swim in mine. I think I'm gonna go put on some sunscreen and lay in the sun. Well, thank you so much for playing with me. And hey, don't forget, wave goodnight to the